the spacecraft enters the main asteroid belt, where there are countless meteorites and asteroids. The probability of collision with the spacecraft is, of course, much higher than in other regions. However, Dongguoriawa spacecraft is equipped with advanced technology, allowing it to easily evade incoming objects. At this moment, the timer shows 17 minutes and 40 seconds, meaning we have just begun entering the main asteroid belt, and the ship will need about 10 minutes traveling at the speed of light to pass through it. During these 10 minutes, please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the breathtaking beauty of the celestial objects inside the belt. Welcome aboard the journey to the edge of the universe on a spacecraft designated Top TH. This is an imagined future spacecraft capable of traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second speed of light. It will be the ship that guides you through this journey to the end of the cosmos. Enviamache y Enyo, captain and tour guide. To make it easier to explore the universe and help you visualize space more clearly, our spacecraft will depart from the Sun, the only star in the solar system. This is what is actually happening on the surface of the Sun, where temperatures reach up to 500 degrees Celsius. Scientists estimate that deep inside the core of the Sun lies a gigantic nuclear fusion reactor, with temperatures reaching 15,000 degrees Celsius. However, no one has ever been able to verify this, because no device can survive plunging into the Sun, not even our hypothetical Top THV spacecraft. At this moment, our spacecraft is entering the Sun's corona, where temperatures can reach up to 13,000 degrees Celsius, many times hotter than the Sun's surface, despite being farther from the core. To this day, the extreme heat of the solar corona remains a mystery. Many theories have been proposed, but scientists still cannot fully explain why the corona's temperature is so high. We've now completed a loop around the Sun, and it's time to depart. Look to the left, the display shows the distance traveled by the spacecraft, and on the right, the time elapsed. Please fasten your seatbelts so our journey may begin. Looking at the display now, you can see that we have been traveling for about 3 minutes and 13 seconds, and the spacecraft is approximately 58 million kilometers away from the Sun. There it is, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, and also the smallest in the solar system. Though tiny, with a diameter of just 4,880 kilometers, Mercury has an extremely high density, the second highest in the solar system, second only to Earth. This indicates that Mercury has a massive iron core, taking up about 70% of heat's volume. Mercury also has the greatest temperature variation among all the planets in the solar system. During the day, temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius, while at night they may drop to 180 grados bajo cero. Truly a harsh environment. Interestingly, Mercury orbits the Sun every 88 days, while its rotational period is 58.6 days. This creates a 3-to-2 resonance cycle. Mercury rotates 3 times for every 2 orbits around the Sun. Leaving Mercury behind, we head toward Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It is often called Earth's sister planet. To reach Venus, the spacecraft must travel about 6 minutes, as Venus is 108 million kilometers from the Sun. There it is, Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system, although it is the second from the Sun. Temperatures here can reach 470 degrees Celsius due to its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere that creates an extreme greenhouse effect. From Earth, Venus is the brightest planet visible to the naked eye, often seen near dusk or dawn, earning it the names Evening Star and Morning Star. From this vantage point, we cannot see Venus's surface, as it is covered by dense clouds. Atmospheric pressure here reaches 92 bars to 92 times Earth's surface pressure, equivalent to diving 900 meters underwater. Such pressure would instantly crush any human. Passing Venus, we reach our beloved home. The display now shows a distance of 149 million kilometers and a time of 8 minutes and 19 seconds. There it is, our blue planet glowing with the color of life. From space, Earth looks like a sparkling jewel, the place where you and I are sitting and undertaking this hypothetical voyage. Earth is the largest rocky planet in the solar system, and so far, the only known world with life. And there is Earth's companion, its only natural satellite, the Moon. The Moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system, but relative to its host planet, It is the largest. Scientists believe it did not form in the usual way, but instead resulted from a colossal collision 4.5 billion years ago, when a Mars-sized object named Theia impacted Earth. The debris eventually coalesced into the moon, leaving Earth. Our spacecraft continues outward. Look ahead, that is Mars, the small reddish planet. The timer now shows 12 minutes and 40 seconds, meaning Mars is about 227.9 million kilometers from the Sun. Many signs suggest that Mars once had liquid water, and some even believe life may have existed there. Let me adjust the ship to fly close to the Martian surface. Perhaps we'll find some evidence. There it is, Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, about 25 kilometers high, 3 times the height of Mount Everest. A Martian day is 24.5 hours, similar to Earth's, and Mars also has seasons, making it a promising candidate for humanity, SSA economy. But its atmosphere is extremely thin, so colonizing Mars would require tremendous effort. Some bold ideas propose terraforming Mars, but reaching the planet is already difficult, let alone altering its atmosphere. We don't have much time to linger. The ship will soon leave Mars and head elsewhere. Here comes another alert. We are entering the main asteroid belt again. The probability of impact is higher here, but don't worry, our spacecraft can easily avoid debris. The timer shows 17 minutes and 40 seconds. The belt will take 10 minutes to cross at light speed. Please fasten your seatbelts and admire the celestial scenery. Scientists have long known of an object in the belt named 16 Psychomassa metallic asteroid, estimated to be worth 10 quintillion dollars. It is about 200 kilometers in diameter. Keep an eye out, maybe you'll spot this cosmic treasure. After the asteroid belt, we will travel for a while before reaching Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. There it is, along with its moons. The timer reads 43 minutes and 15 seconds. Jupiter is 778.5 million kilometers from the Sun. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has lasted over 300 years, as its most famous feature. I'll steer the ship closer so you can see it. What a magnificent sight. Some scientists think the storm was once much larger, big enough to fit 3 Earths. Though Jupiter appears gaseous, it is extremely massive too. 0.5 times the mass of all the other planets combined. Many believe Jupiter's gravity protects the inner planets by attracting wandering asteroids. Others disagree, saying Jupiter sometimes sends objects inward, increasing impact risks. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. After Jupiter, you have 30 minutes to rest while the ship travels to Saturn. You may want to take a short nap. There it is, Saturn, the stunning ringed planet. The timer now shows 1 hour 19 minutes and 37 seconds, meaning Saturn is 1.433 billion kilometers from the Sun. Its ring system is the widest in the solar system. Although Saturn's mass is 95 times that of Earth, its volume is enormous, 763 Earths, giving it a low density of just 0.687 gramo por centimetro. If you could find a large enough ocean, Saturn would float. Scientists think Saturn has a core of iron, nickel, and rock, surrounded by a thick layer of metallic hydrogen, though this remains unconfirmed. Saturn appears calm, but its winds can reach 1,800 kilometers per hour twice Jupiter's strongest winds. Saturn also has a unique feature, a giant hexagonal storm at its north pole. No one knows why it has such a perfect six-sided shape. Leaving Saturn, we head to the outer solar system. There is Uranus, 2.876 billion kilometers from the Sun. Uranus is remarkable for its 98 axial tilt, causing its poles to face the Sun. It also has the coldest atmosphere of any planet, reaching minus 224 degrees Celsius. Uranus has long been overlooked by research. Next stop, Neptune, the 8th planet. Reaching Neptune takes 4 hours and 10 minutes. It is 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. There it is, the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but sometimes invisible from Earth. Neptune was the only planet discovered through mathematical prediction. Irregularities in Uranus's orbit implied another planet's presence, and on September 23, 1846, Neptune was found just 1 degree from its predicted location. Neptune also hosts the strongest winds in the solar system, up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Having passed Neptune, we head toward the Kuiper Belt, extending from 3250 A. The ship will need over 2 hours to cross it. The Kuiper Belt is full of dust and icy debris. Scientists believe it is the birthplace of short-period comets, like Halley. There are about 70,000 objects over 100 kilometers in diameter, though the belt's total mass is only roughly equal to Earth's. There it is, Pluto, a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. The timer shows 5 hours and 28 minutes. Pluto lies 5.9 billion kilometers away. Before 2006, Pluto was considered the 9th planet until the definition changed. In this region, things become quiet. This is 7 billion kilometers from the Sun. The ship would take about 6 hours and 30 minutes to get here. Scientists notice a sharp drop in objects here, hinting that a large body planet 9 might be clearing the region. It has not been found yet. Watch closely, maybe. You'll be the first to spot it. Beyond the Kuiper Belt is empty space. The timer now reads 278 hours. We are 300 billion kilometers from the Sun and entering the Oort cloud, a hypothetical sphere extending up to 3.25 light. Even at light speed, it would take more than 3 years to pass through. This region contains countless icy objects and is believed to be the source of long-period The Oort cloud is considered the boundary of the solar system, the outermost region where the Sun's gravity is influenced. Beyond it is the vast universe, stars, planets, galaxies, and of course, I will take you on another journey. Tell me in the comments where you want to go next. For now, goodbye and see you again.